So the question is velocity and acceleration of a particle at time t equal to 0 r, u is equal 2i k plus 3j k meter per second and acceleration equal to 4i k plus 2j k meter per second square respectively. Find the velocity and displacement of the particle at t equal to 2 seconds. So here initial velocity, it is 2i k plus 3j k and acceleration is 4i k plus 2j k. Okay, interestingly, it is time independent. So acceleration is constant. Now we need final velocity and displacement. So we know that v vector equal to what? U vector plus a vector into t only. So let us put it. U vector is 2i k plus 3j k plus acceleration vector is 4i k plus 2j k into t. T is 2 seconds. So now it is 4 into 2, 8. So 8 plus 2 is 10 I cap only. That is 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7 J cap only. So this is the velocity vector is this. Okay. So if someone asks you to calculate the magnitude of it, you can calculate that also. 10 square plus 7 square under root. But that is not asked there. Now we are asked to calculate the displacement. Displacement is what? ut plus half at square vector vector vector. So u vector is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus half. Acceleration is 4i cap plus 2j cap into 2 square. And here also into 2, ut t. So time also should be there. That is 2. So that is as vector equal to 2 2s are 4i cap plus 6j cap. And here 1 2 will get cancelled. So that will be 8i cap plus 4j cap. So it means displacement vector equal to 4 plus 8, 12i cap. 6 plus 4, 10 j cap. So this all are in SI, so it will be in meter only. So this is the displacement vector. You can calculate even the magnitude also, but that is not asked here, so we are not calculating. And this is the velocity vector. Because it is a case of constant acceleration, so we can directly apply the formula.